Welcome to Juanita Beach Park and Nature Path. Starting from the parking lot, you'll walk past the recently updated bathrooms and snack shop. Continue along the paved path to the floating path that encompasses the swimming beach area. I'm not sure if this park and path have been officially designated as an American with Disabilities Act compliant park and path, but there are no obvious barriers that I could find in my walk. Continue up the path to the sidewalk along Juanita Drive and then onto 98th Avenue. After a short walk along the road, you'll see on your right this very wide path that runs alongside Lake Washington. This trail is the old roadway over the edge of Lake Washington in Juanita Bay and is now available only to pedestrians. Pilings from the old dock that used to be used for ferry service are still visible here, along with a couple of bald eagles who move between Juanita Bay and Juanita Beach and fish in the lake below. Along the way, you'll find plenty of benches giving you the chance to relax and enjoy the lake view. Along the trail, you'll often find interpretive signs telling the history of the area, and this area does have a rich history. If you're using a wheelchair, there are a couple of spots where tree roots have made mini speed bumps, so watch out for those. If nature calls as you saunter along, there's restrooms available and can be accessed via the tarmac path on the left. Bicycles aren't allowed on the wooden paths built over the wetlands, but wheelchairs are okay. This is the first of two locations that are great for watching or photographing the ducks, geese, turtles, eagles, and herons. Continue along the wooden path to Nelson Point. It's here where the best views are to be enjoyed. I hope you've enjoyed this relaxing walk along the Lake Washington waterfront. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to get more nature videos from Amputee Outdoors. See you out there!